Hello students, today we are going to talk about general search algorithm. In artificial intelligence, we use general search algorithm from reaching from initial state to a goal state, that is a final state. Actually, this is a framework. This algorithm is a framework so that there is a sequence of actions that we should take in order to reach the final goal state. Okay, there are five topics that we'll have to understand general search algorithm. One is components that are there in a search problem. Second is what is the framework, search framework. Number three, there is a tree concept that is involved in search. Four is other specific algorithms like breadth first, depth first, evolve over general algorithm. Fifth one is evaluating search algorithms. So let's get in, and today we will first in this video we will cover core components of a search problem. This one we will cover here. The next topics we will cover in the coming videos. Okay, let's get in. What are the core components of a search problem? See, any search algorithm to run, it must have five components inside it. One is the initial state. To understand where we have to go, where we are starting, all these are required. First is the initial state. Supposing we are using Google Maps. Location will be in Chennai. I am starting from Chennai. I want to reach Delhi. So the initial state is Chennai. That is the initial state. Initial stage. See, don't confuse it with Tamil Nadu or Delhi state. State is the current status where our current place is. Okay. Second is actions. The actions that are available for us. The choices that we have. Which route to take, and what will be the state that we will reach by taking this action. The choices that are available for us. Third is transition model, a description of what each does. That is, what will be the result for this current state and action. Current state and current action, what will be the result? Okay. Next is the goal test. Goal test is nothing but once you reach the next state, it has to say has to check whether it is the goal state. Have we reached the destination? If it is not the destination, it will continue searching. So this is the condition where given state is the goal state or not. So let's say in Delhi, have we reached Delhi? Okay, this is the goal test. Finally, a path cost. What is the cost that has been in the function assigns a numeric cost to the path, like distance, what is the time taken, or fuel spent. So, an agent typically aims for optimal solution, which has the lowest path cost, so that it can be very beneficial, economical. Okay, now let's look at the pictorial view of this. Core components of a search problem. See, any search problem, the AI converts it to a tree as multiple states. What are the possible states that are available? It's a tree concept. Okay, we will discuss this in coming videos. So let's focus on this current component stuff. Initial state, this is the first step. Where we are, this is the starting point. Okay. Second is actions, whether we should go north, east, west, or south to reach the destination. What are the actions that are possible? Third is the transition model, that is current state, action you are taking, and what is the next state that we achieve. Okay, this is the next stage. Then we have goal test. Goal test is nothing but, have we reached the destination? Is it the final state? If it is a no, the search algorithm will again move back to the next possible action that is available from that state. Okay, from that state you go, what is the next steps that are available. Okay, hope you understood what the core components of a search problem. In the coming videos, I'll explain the other topics, like what is a framework that we are using, what is a tree concept, and algorithms, specific algorithms, and how we are evaluating search algorithms. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe and give a like so that it will help us. Thank you.